Visual, light stretching. Easy mobility work. Warm up with soft music. You can't hit high gear without warming up. Warm up gets blood flowing. Muscles ready. Joints loosened. Do this for 3 minutes. Neck rolls. Slow, gentle each direction. 30 seconds. Shoulder circles. Forward, backward. 30 seconds each. Hip circles. Loosening up your pelvis. 30 seconds. Torso twists. Arms out to side. Twist left and right gently. 30 seconds. Jog in place, or do light jumping jacks about 45 seconds. Ankle rolls. Wrist rolls. Small joints matter. Warm-ups are your insurance against injury. Stiff muscles? Or just being cranky tomorrow morning? If warm-ups feel boring, put on your favorite track to hype you up. Part 3. Main morning workout routine. Energetic music pickup. Visuals. User doing bodyweight moves in a clean space will go through 2 circuits each exercise. 45 seconds work, 15 seconds rest. After 1 full circuit, take 1 minute rest. Then repeat. If you're new, start with 1 circuit. If you've got more energy, push both. Circuit exercise list 1. Bodyweight squat. Stand feet shoulder width. Chest up. Sit back into your heels. Then stand. Feel it in your glutes and quads. Great for lower body strength. 2. Push-up. Standard push-up on toes or knees. Keep your core tight. Body straight. Great for chest, shoulders, triceps. 3. Alternating reverse lunges. Step 1 leg back. Lower until your front knee is over your ankle. Push back up. Switch sides. Good balance plus leg work. 4. Plank to downward dog. Start in high plank. Push back into downward dog. Then return to plank. Great full body stretch and core work. 5. Mountain climbers. Rapid knee drives toward chest. Core tight. Great cardio plus ABS. 6. Glute bridges. Lie down. Push through heels. Lift hips. Squeeze glutes. Lower. Targets posterior chain. Glutes. Hamstrings. Lower back. 7. High knees. Jog in place. Get those knees up. Drive the arms. Boost your heart rate. 8. Plank hold. Finish the circuit with a strong, static plank. Elbows or hands. Hold with form. Feel your core, back, shoulders working. After circuit 1, rest 1 minute. Breathe. Sip water. Then circuit 2. If energy strong, try to push a little harder in second round. Part 4. Cool down and recovery. Visual, gentle stretching, calm music, breathing. After you've worked hard, recovery is just as essential. Spend 2 to 3 minutes cooling down to reduce muscle soreness and help your body reset. Seated hamstring stretch each leg. 30 seconds. Quad stretch each leg. Shoulder stretch across your chest each arm. Side stretches. Lift 1 arm overhead. Lean to side. Deep breathing. Inhale deeply for 4 seconds. Hold. Exhale for 6 seconds. Repeat 3 times.